Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I just want to show you something really simple on your Toyota Lexus Scion. I have here my 2021 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you how to put your emergency brake in automatic mode or manual mode. Right now I have it on automatic. If I move the car, the brake works automatically. If I put it on park, it brakes the car automatically. Everybody knows that. How you put it on manual, let's say for some crazy reason you don't want to use it, press on the brakes, push it down and hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, it deactivates the brakes. Now it's not working automatically. Now you can move your vehicle. Okay, you move the vehicle and you put it on park and it doesn't stay on. Now it works on manual. You want to have to put your brake automatically. But now let's say you want to have it that mode for some reason. You want to have it that way. You want to have to put your car on drive and you have to remove it. Press it down and it goes manually off. Okay, now let's park the vehicle again. Now that I parked the vehicle, it's not coming on, but I want to have it on automatic. What I'm gonna do, put it on, pressing on the brake, and same thing, hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, now it's activated automatically. In case for some reason that you push it down and you hold it for some reason and you don't know how to put it back on automatic mode, this is the way to do it. Now it goes off by itself. It goes on by itself. Okay, in case you want to know that information, there you have it, how to put your electronic parking brake on automatic or manual mode. Okay guys, I'll leave you with that. I hope you liked that little episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.